Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how do I call Objective-C code from Swift. So actually for doing that you just need to add bridge. So after you just need add Objective-C header. So add header file. Here you can see for example some method what you just need to add, and here you can see implementation of this method. So after you just need to add this class to your bridge and header. So after you can also just use this object in your Swift file. So like this you can see it just by importing this header file. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, goodbye.